Kinyarwanda muri B Side nk'utse ko tuyigezweho na Tigo, sponsor officiel la B Side kuri TV1. Respect all the time, just live it and love it, you know what I'm saying? Bien, nk'utse rero ukanda like kuri Facebook page, just facebook.com/Ziggy_55. Now, let me bring you back to the subject, ladies and gentlemen. Uyu munsi turi kumwe na Bobby Ngarambe, ni umuzungu w'umunyamerika waririmbye injyana ahita ngewe nawe. Injyana iri mu Kinyarwanda, injyana nziza cyane abantu benshi bakunze. Ariko baribaza bati uriya mugabo nuwahe ni umunyarwanda se akabatsa n'umuzungu bite ko tumva ari ikinyarwanda fresh kila kitu. Now muri B Side rero twaramwegereye amazimisi arino interview yaduhaye mu cyongereza twashatse kuyitraduza ariko turavuga no reka tubanze tureke mu cyongereza kugira ngo abavuga rurimi rwa Shakespeare muze kumwiyumvira live hanyuma turaza kubabwira mu magambo make bimwe mu byo yavuzemo. Bien que pour introduire nabwira ko aza kutubwira ko ari umunyamerika, aza kutubwira aho yakuye izina Bobby Ngarambe, ko hari famille y'abagame igihe ari mu Rwanda yiga ndetse n'ikinyarwanda, famille yitwaga Ngarambe, akaba ari nabo bamuhaye iryo zina Ngarambe. Amaze gukora inyana nyinshi, arimo arakora ku ma projet atandukanye, arateganya gukora ama collabo hamwe na Two for Real, hamwe n'abandi bahanzi baba bari interesse, ndetse aza no kutubwira abahanzi b'abanyarwanda kunda kumva sometimes. Reka mbareke abitwibwirire.
Bites nitwa Bobby Ngarambe, ndi umunyamerika kandi nkunda kuririmba mu Kinyarwanda. So I'm from New York City and I have come to Rwanda to help promote my song Njyewe Nawe. Was I an artist before? So Njyewe Nawe is my first song in Kinyarwanda. And before that I was working on some other stuff, but actually I am also becoming a lawyer. So for music is something that I do as well. But unfortunately music doesn't pay the bills, so I work as a lawyer in the United States. I love music, I love to play guitar, and I love to sing. And so for that I do music on the side a lot. There you go. So in 2010 I lived in Kigali, I studied here, and that's when I first started learning Kinyarwanda. I was taking classes and I had a teacher who was teaching me the language. And I loved the language so much, and I loved to write songs, and I love music, so I started to write Njyewe Nawe, the song in Kinyarwanda, from what I was learning. And I was living with a family called the NGARAMBEs, and they were like a family to me. They took me in as one of their own, and they helped me just make sure the grammar was right as I was learning, and they helped me write the song. And that's where they gave me the name NGARAMBE, and so that's where Bobby Ngarambe comes from. I'm working on a couple other songs in Kinyarwanda. So I love singing in Kinyarwanda, and I'm gonna keep trying to do a couple more songs in Kinyarwanda at least. So we'll see. It depends. Maybe if people like them, then I'll keep doing it. If not, then maybe I won't. But for now, I have a couple more songs I'm working on. One is called Sinshaka Amafaranga, and then I have another one that doesn't have a title yet, but I'm working on it. For singing, well, as far as singing goes, I practice a lot, and I think anything with music, if you want to do it really, really well, you have to practice a lot. So for me with singing, even in the university, I took lessons and I did all of that and sang all the time. And for Kinyarwanda, the same thing, just practice, practice, practice. And the more you practice, the better you get. And so there's no secret. It's just practice, and if you keep working really hard, then you get better and better. I'm staying in Kigali until the end of August. So I'm here, I've been here for a month, and I'll be working with some local artists and trying to make some new songs and do some collabos with different people who want to do some. So right now I'm trying to figure out exactly who I'm going to work with, and I have a couple songs lined up which should be coming out pretty soon. So that's what I'll be doing while I'm here for this month. So right now, I know for sure I'm working with Two for Real for a couple songs. And then other than that, I don't have anything lined up yet. So if anybody's interested in doing a collab, let me know and we can maybe work it out. I love Rwandan music. There's a lot of artists in Rwanda who sing really well and who make really good music. A couple of them live in the United States. There's Mehdi. He lives in Maine, and the Ben is in Chicago, and they're really good artists. And then here in Rwanda, there's Two for Real, there's Teta, Tom Close, King James, I mean, there are many. There are very many, and I like to listen to them. So, yeah, I hope so. I want to, for the next song, the music video, because for Njyewe Nawe, the music video is only in New York City. But I want to do a video in Kigali to show Rwanda, because Rwanda is a beautiful, beautiful country, and the hills are amazing, and if you just drive through the country, I was just in Gisenyi, and I came back, and it was just so, so beautiful to come back and look at the landscape and look at all the farms and all the agriculture. It's just absolutely beautiful. So I want to have that in my next music video. Yeah, well, I think to be an international star is very hard. It's very difficult, and you have to, again, just work very hard. And for music, you've got to work with really good producers, and you got to make sure that the music is something that people like, and you just try things out. And sometimes it doesn't work, and that's okay. And then you might have that one song that really makes it. And you might write 1,000 songs, but only one song is one that picks up. So you just never know. You just keep trying and keep doing your best, and eventually, maybe, if you're lucky, it'll take off. There are a lot of ones that I like. I like pop music a lot. I really like Bruno Mars. If you know Bruno Mars, I think he has an amazing voice. His voice is really, really nice. Then I also like folk music, like Mumford & Sons, which that's one that's more American. And I like people like Jay-Z, Beyonce is amazing, Rihanna, all of them sing so well. So they're way, way, way better than me. So I could only aspire to be anything close to what they do. But we all like music, so it's all the same. Yeah, well, for the people who are supporting me, and I've had a lot of support for Njyewe Nawe and for other music, I would just say Urakoze Chane, and I'm just so grateful for the way that people have liked the song and have promoted the song and helped to make it something special.